हरिः ओम्। नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषाप्रवेशप्रथमभागस्य 39तमे कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। The next topic for this session is यदि and तर्हि. It means if and then. So already we have seen like yada, tada, yatha, tatha, and yatra and tatra, and other maybe few other combinations. Similarly, yadi, tarhi is another known combination for giving the meanings of if and then. Okay, if you want to join two sentences where first sentence is kind of a reason for the second sentence, probably you can use yadi and tarhi to join them. So let us see some examples and we'll understand that better. So Vidyut asti and Deepaha Jwalati. And Vidyut asti, the electricity is there, and the Deepaha Jwalati, the light glows or light shines. So now because the electricity is there, the light glows. Or if electricity is there, then light glow. So in that case, you can say Yadi Vidyut asti, Tarhi Deepaha Jwalati. If Vidyut is there, then Deepa will light. Okay, and similarly the next one, Pariksha asti, Chhatraha Patati. If exam is there, then student studies. So in that case, you can say Yadi Pariksha asti, Tarhi Chhatraha Patati. Okay, so basically Yadi is if and the Tarhi is then. You can take that way. And the next example is Bhanuvasaraha asti, Karyalayasya Viramaha Bhavati. So Yadi Bhanuvasaraha asti, Tarhi Karyalayasya Viramaha Bhavati. If it is Sunday, then there will be a holiday in office. Okay, and Madhuram asti balakaha khadati. Yadi Madhuram asti tarhi balakaha khadati. If it is sweet, the boy eats. And similarly, another example, Bhavati Vipanim gachati aham agachami. So you go to the market and I come. So if you go to the market, then I will come, or then I come. So yadi bhavati vipanim gachati, tarhi aham agachami. Then I come. And similarly, vrishtihi asti chatram nayami. It is raining, and I am carrying the umbrella. If it rains, then I will carry the umbrella. So in that case, yadi vrishtihi asti tarhi chatram nayami. So it's a very simple avyayams which we use it to join two sentences. It gives a meaning of if and then, where the first sentence is a kind of a reason for the second sentence. Or maybe the first sentence is a kind of a condition, based on that the second happens. So in that case, probably you can use Edi and Tarhi. So let us take some short Q&A on this. So you can try to frame some regular sentences using Edi and Tarhi. Then we'll move on to our exercise. I'll just clear the queue, and if there are any questions, you can ask, and we can also take a short abhyasa on this.
Yadi vrikshaha kampayanti, tarhi phalani bhumyav padanti. Bhumyav is the correct?
Bhumav or bhumyam?
Bhumav. Bhumav padanti. Padanti is correct?
Padanti, yes.
Padanti. Yahi vrikshaha kampayanti, tarhi phalani bhumav padanti.
So, vrikshaha kampante is the right form, but we'll learn that later. Yeah, fine.
So, kampante. Okay.
यदि वृष्टिः अस्ति तर्हि कृषकाः सन्तुष्टाः भवन्ति. Is it correct?
सम्यक्.
यदि लेखनी अस्ति तर्हि अहं लिखामि. If there is pen, then I will write.
उत्तमम्.
यदि वृष्टिः भविष्यति अहं विद्यालयं न गमिष्यामि.
उत्तमम्.
धन्यवादः. If it rains,
I will not go to school. Yeah, Hari Om.
यदि छात्रः सम्यक् पठति तर्हि गुरुः सन्तुष्टः भवति. If the student studies well, then the teacher is happy.
उत्तमम्.
यदि कृष्णः नृत्यति तर्हि गोपिकाः नृत्यन्ति।
उत्तमम्। अर्थः?
यदि वृष्टिः भवति तर्हि मयूराः नृत्यन्ति।
Okay, what is the meaning?
If there is rain, then peacocks dance. If
उत्तमम्।
Lord Krishna dances, then gopis also dance. Gopis.
उत्तमम्।
यदि धनम् अस्ति तर्हि अहं निर्धनिकं दास्यामि. If I have money, I'll give it to the poor.
उत्तमम्।
यदि उत्सवः अस्ति तर्हि सर्वे जनाः देवालयं गच्छन्ति. When there is utsavam, it's festival or something in the something is there, then people will go to the temple.
Yeah, here utsavah bhavati, you can tell. So यदि उत्सवः भवति जनाः तर्हि जनाः देवालयं गच्छन्ति. And there is one more small thing we need to see. Yadi tarhi is not the replacement for yada and tada. So yada tada is when and then. That is used when both the events matching with the time. So at the same time both the events happen, then you can actually use yada and tada. But yadi and tarhi is just if and then. It doesn't need to be on the at the same time. So basically, yada vrishtihi bhavati tada chatram nayami. So here both the events happen at the same time, so we can use yada and tada. And you can also same thing you can also express in if and then as well. Yadi vrishtihi bhavati tarhi chatram nayami. That is also correct. But in case if you want to if you want to say two different times, you cannot use yada tada. So you have to use yadi and tarhi. But hope you get it. So yada tada is used if there is any time relation between both the events. Basically at the same time both the things happen, then you can use yada and tada. And basically just a general condition or general reason, then you can actually use yadi and tarhi. Astu. So anybody else would like to attempt? उत्तमम्. Yes. पिपासा अंजलम. Yeah, अस्तु. Yeah, that is correct. यदि मम पिपासा भवति तदा जलं पास्यामि or तर्हि जलं पास्यामि. Astu. A forum exercise on this topic for yadi and tarhi. You might need to write 5 sets of sentences for using yadi and tarhi with meanings. I will publish this sooner. And next, in our 26th lesson, Bhavishyat Kala Abhyas and Bhavishyat Kala lesson, we have the last exercise on this yadi and tarhi. So I thought of covering that. Satra Abhyasaha Udaharananusaram Vadantu Likantu cha. यदि अद्य सोमवासरः तर्हि श्वः कः वासरः भविष्यति. सो यदि उत्तरं यदि अद्य सोमवासरः तर्हि श्वः मङ्गलवासरः भविष्यति. So basically if today is Monday, then tomorrow would be Tuesday. And यदि भवान् or भवती अद्य गणितं पठति तर्हि संस्कृतं कदा पठिष्यति. If you read mathematics today, and then when will you read Sanskritam? So again yadi and tarhi. So yadi bhavan adya ganitam patati tarhi Sanskritam kada patishyati. And similarly maybe we'll read we'll take 2 and try to read and give the meanings.
यदि तव भ्राता अद्य न आगतः तर्हि कदा आगमिष्यति. If your brother don't come today, then when will he come? Uttaram.
So if your brother did not arrive today, when would he come?
Agataha is past tense. Okay.
Yes.
If your brother did not arrive today, when will he come?
When would he come? Yes. Next one. Yeah, that's a uttaram. Yeah, you can try answering that. Let's see.
मम भ्रातः परश्वः आगमिष्यति.
मम भ्राता परश्वः आगमिष्यति.
भ्राता परश्वः आगमिष्यति.
उत्तमम्.
यदि त्वम् अधुना न क्रीडसि तर्हि कदा क्रीडिष्यसि? When you are not playing now, then when will you play? उत्तरं यदि अहम् अधुना न क्रीडामि तर्हि सायङ्काले क्रीडिष्यामि.
It's not darhi, it is tarhi.
तर्हि सायङ्काले क्रीडिष्यामि.
उत्तमम्.
यदि ताः अद्य न वदन्ति तर्हि कदा वदिष्यन्ति? If they, females, if they don't say today, then when will they say? So uttaram is yadi taha adya na vadanti tarhi bhanuvasare vadishyanti. So if they don't say today, they will say on Sunday.
यदि भवन्तः और भवत्यः अत्र न पश्यन्ति तर्हि कुत्र द्रक्ष्यन्ति? If they are not looking there, then where are they looking? Yeah. यदि वयं, no, is it vayam?
You can just use the same sentence, not a problem.
Okay. यदि भवन्तः अत्र न पश्यन्ति तर्हि ते तत्र द्रक्ष्यन्ति.
उत्तमम्. So I think that's about this lesson, and next up in probably tomorrow we'll start with the next lesson that starts with some story and the related abhyasa on the Bhavishyat Kala. We'll continue on that tomorrow. I think today we completed this 26th lesson. So with that we will end the session. The Sankshepa is we have completed that Rit Lakara 26th chapter and the book exercises, and along with that we have also learned some new topic that is on Edi and Tarhi. It means if and then. If and then is generally if you want to join two sentences where first sentence is a condition for the second one, you can actually use if and then. Though it looks very similar to Yada and Tada, it is a when and then, but still it is a conditional statement that we need to remember. So that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. If there are any queries or if you want to interact with teachers or students, please log into forum.sanskrit.today, or you can even join our Telegram group. You can find the link in the course page. And subscribe to this channel to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group. And make use of the comment section below the video if you have any queries or suggestions or feedback about this session or the series. And finally click on the like button, and thank you for watching this video online. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyavadaha.